Hey train fans, Roy here. This is my HO shelf layout build, and as you can see by the pictures going by here, this is the process of putting in the shelf. Those metal storage shelves are rated for 200 pounds each for a total of 400 pounds. I don't think it'll be a problem. And then it's on drawer slides, and there's 5 of them under there, and I'm not using them the right way around, but they're rated for like 100 pounds each, so I think it'll be fine. The bearings are all captive and everything, so it should be good. This is a slide out shelf, and here's a video clip showing it in action. Okay guys, this is the current state of the HO shelf. It's above my staging area, which is currently covered for protection at that end. But to show you, it's a pull-out drawer shelf. So you can see it comes out, goes back in, all is one piece. And then up under here, it's very dark, hopefully the camera can adjust, but you can see there's plenty of space for all the wiring and whatever needs to go under there. I'm going to be putting foam on top of here, and then I've got masonite for the front, and we're cutting the masonite to go on the back for the backdrop, and it will be attached, and it will clear the lights and everything. It's going to go to just below those brackets for that upper shelving. But there you go. That's what we got so far. I'll do another clip later once the backdrop and everything are in. And here we are installing the backdrop in place. Hey guys, Roy here again. Just showing you the current state of my HO scale switching layout on a slide out shelf. You can see we got the backdrop up now, and I put in some track. This is just my current attempt. I'm trying different arrangements to see what I like. This one's alright, but as you can see here, this whole thing slides out fairly smoothly. I can pull it all the way out into the opening here. I probably won't normally do this. This will just be for when I'm working on it. Normally I would pull it out to about here, so it's like 6 or 8 inches away from the wall, sort of lined up with the lower shelf here, and gives me room because I'm gonna have sort of a staging attachment that will attach right here. This is just a temporary block, you'll see later, but yeah, I'll have it, it'll hook onto this railing and attach here, and it'll give me 2 tracks of staging over here. I am still going to put foam down and paint and everything, and just trying out different track arrangements here, using all these cars that I've won or bought from Jack's garage sales or giveaways. Test things out, including this really nice GP9 GP9 SP Kodachrome. It's one of the ones I got from Jack. So anyway, you can see the shelf does pull out. It's pretty nice and smooth. That's it. Thanks for watching.